Hello Bee Business Bee fans, and yes, it's probably day 2 of we're meant to be socially isolating. So for all you numpties out there who are still not socially isolating, just think what you're doing. Viruses don't have days off. So when you went out on Friday night and you were basically spreading the virus around, it wasn't having a night off, you just probably spread that onto more and more people. Think about the impact you're having in the world around you. You know, each of us has got to think logically. So, you know, I'm out today and I'd advise you to get yourselves out into the outdoors, into nature. I've got Craig with me there, you can see Craig there. But, you know, it's 2 meters away, socially distancing. Make sure you're using common sense. And make sure you're keeping active and fit. And I'll make you a few more videos about staying fit and active. It doesn't actually cost you loads and loads of money to get out and about and do things. All it does is takes a little bit of time and a little bit of common sense. The weather's great, nature is great. Craig's an amateur photographer. You know, any of you want to practice some skills, I believe there's loads of YouTube channels and like loads of videos and loads of things on Twitter you can do to follow. I actually want to get into that sort of line of work. You know, I'm quite happy to do my vlogs at the moment, but I want to do some real proper photography. And you know what, just try something new. Use the chance now to actually learn some new skills. Make sure you do your homework, make sure you do the work that we set you in class. You know, do all those things that can be done and just keep you busy. You know what, the worst thing you can do is worry. It lowers your immune system. Also, don't let yourself get isolated. There's always somebody out there you can talk to. And you know what I'm going to say now, until next time, keep buzzing.